When a strata group looks after its grounds and gardens, it makes all the difference. From the moment you arrive at this boutique group in Riverside, Claremont, before you even enter the front door, you will feel a sense of calm that makes you feel like home. The real showstopper here is the northern courtyard, where you will spend your days entertaining in the dappled sunlight that filters through the trees. The light also filters through to the open plan living, dining and kitchen area, which has been completely renovated for your comfort. Upstairs, the 3 bedrooms are big and there's nothing to be done but move in and simply start enjoying a home that has a surprising amount of accommodation. In a cosmopolitan location between the river and the Claremont Quarter, this is a property you will want to see.